Today I'm going to be taking a look at a fan kit from DS. This is the Rainbow ICE AXIS color, and this particular kit includes 6 fans, the controller, RF remote. I'll put some affiliate links in the description below in case you're interested. So anyways, this particular controller does not include any PWM connections to your motherboard, nor does it support any external RGB control. Everything is self-contained in the controller. It's a single SATA power connection, and you use the remote to control everything. The fan speeds, I think there's 4 gradients of that. It's off, 40%, 70%, or 100%. It's a hydraulic bearing fan. So I don't know what the longevity of these particular fans will be, but this is a great budget entry-level fan kit. All right, so opening the box here, we get just basic card from DS. We get some zip ties for cable management, instructions, get the RF remote. Pretty standard for most of these types of kits. You get the controller, and this has a power connection and a SATA connector on here. The instructions do point out to you that if you're going to use like a Molex to SATA adapter, to use the 4-pin one, otherwise the fans won't work. The controller does include a magnet, so it'll just stick to your case. Pretty cool. Also does include some double-sided foam sticky tape should you want to attach it using that. And there you have it. It's kind of a minimalist design as far as the framing goes. It's kind of a flimsy piece of plastic, but certainly enough for a fan. It's just kind of a unique look to it. Decent length of cable. Simple connections. Just you're going to plug your SATA power in your case. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 9 fans included on this with 2 LED strips. All right, so I've connected those up, 1 through 6. We'll power this on and see what we get out of it. All right, so it looks like we got all but 1 fan running. Just kind of popped right off, so these are kind of removable. Just had to kind of pop it in there. So see if that does it. Perfect. All right, so the fan speed works good. They're actually relatively quiet, even on the top speed. You put these in a case, yeah, you'd be hard pressed to hear them. Speed control's good. They move quite a bit of air. Let's play with the lighting sequences. And this is just kind of the auto button. It is only the inner hub, obviously, that has any lights on it. And there's really no names for these sequences here. It's just, you can change the brightness on them. So you can change the mode. So the remote has multiple different functions. Obviously, you can turn the lights on and off. You can go to auto, which just sequences through them. Goes through all of the effects. Turn them off, obviously. The color changing speed. You can make it faster. You can make it slower. We'll see how slow it'll go. And it's got you can manually change the sequence using the M buttons on the remote. We'll cycle through some of the sequences here. You can select just individual colors. You can change it to red. Some of the sequences here. All right, so I've installed those top 2 fans in that Mustex case there. This will just give us an idea of what that looks like as it's installed in a case. In person, it's maybe just a touch more pronounced. The camera kind of diffuses that light a little bit. All right, well, there you have it. There's the Rainbow ICE AXIS fan kit. They work fine, other than the 1 fan didn't work when I got it out of the box, but just needed to be kind of popped in. So, and again, they look great. They're on the cheaper end. They're really not that loud. The remote gives you some pretty good control over it. They don't have a ton of sequences in these, only because it really is just that inner hub that lights up. So all in all, I think it looks great. So for some budget entry-level RGB lights, if these fans kind of fit your aesthetic of what you're going for, I wouldn't have any problem sticking these in. Because if they don't last that long, they're really not that expensive. I think, as I mentioned, 37 bucks I think is what I paid for this particular kit. Anyways, that's it for today. Just a quick, simple test of that. I hope that helps you out. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Happy to answer any questions that you might have if I missed something that was important to you. And that's it for now. Have a good day.